There are a few important notes to mention here. First of all, the tool does not need to recompile the image in case of a link failure or a node failure. So you don't need to wait for the recompilation, redistribution of the firmware image. This is done on the fly. So there are some simple things that I can also mention. The save button will save all your work here. And then there is a deploy button. Deploy button is for when you actually have a physical node and the gateway, and this allows you to deploy the image to the sensor nodes. There are some options here you can set. For example, under simulation, you can choose the radio medium. You can choose transmission, interference range, and some other information there that you can set. Under task allocation, as I showed you before, you can change the objective function and program a new one if you need to. Under network model options, you can choose how this delay distribution is defined, basically. These are more advanced topics that you can read about it in our tutorials. Under communication option, you can choose glossy. This is a more advanced link layer protocol that we are also working on right now. There are other things, for example, visual option. You can choose the background image for your network, and then you have the library. You can export your work, and there are some other information like the keyboard shortcuts that I mentioned a few, and you have the documentation. Here you can see all the tutorials about starting from basic examples to very advanced tutorials that you can go later and look at it and use this as your resource for information. Most of the features are explained here, and you can also see that the architecture here, this is a bit more advanced compared to what we published earlier. Furthermore, you can visit our web page. This is the tool web page in the department. The links I've mentioned earlier, they are both here, these two links for the documentation and the public review. So you can further look at our publications and look at our members and probably contact us if you need to. Thank you very much for watching this video.